Topics of school assembly covered in this video. First, introduction. Second, prayer. Third, thought of the day. Fourth, quiz. Fifth, amazing facts. Sixth, study tip. Seventh, speech. Eighth, principal's message. Ninth, national anthem. And at last, ending. Introduction. Don't compare your life to others. There is no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it's their time. With these great lines, a warm good morning to all respected teachers, dear friends, and honorable principal sir. Today I, Jia, is standing before you all to conduct this morning assembly. Prayer. A day without prayer is a day without blessing, and a life without prayer is a life without power. So let's start this beautiful day with a beautiful note and sing the prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. Start the prayer. Thought of the day. Never give up on what you really want to do. The person with big dreams is more powerful than the one with all facts. So to keep you motivated to chase your big dreams, here is Khushi to tell thought of the day. Quiz. To learn, you have to listen. To improve, you have to try. So try answering the interesting questions of today's quiz. I'm sure you will enjoy being a part of this fun quiz. So please welcome Harsh with a huge round of applause for today's quiz. Amazing facts. A blue whale's tongue is heavier than an elephant. That was really surprising, right? So here is Avisha to amaze you more with her amazing facts. Please welcome her with a huge round of applause. Study tip. People forget facts, but they remember stories. And here comes today's study tip. Whenever you are stuck in learning some facts, create your own story or mnemonics to learn that. This will make you grasp things faster. Speech. Your value does not decrease based on someone's inability to see your worth. With this rightly said quote, I would like to call Sarthak to aware you all about how worthy you all are in your life and tell you all that no one can play the role that you are playing in your own story. So please welcome him with his awesome speech. Principal's message. The key to a student's success is a great school, and the key to a great school is a great principal. So now I would like to invite our hard-working principal sir onto the stage and share his valuable thoughts with us. Please sir. National Anthem. The power of National Anthem unites us and fills our hearts with love for our country. So now let's sing the National Anthem. Everyone is requested to be in attention position. Ending. Today's assembly has come to its end. So thank you for being a patient listener. We will come back with more views, news and issues. Till then, have a nice day.